To collect emails from a landing page, follow these steps. Create a landing page. Use platforms like WordPress, System.io, Wix or ClickFunnels to build your landing page. Ensure the page is simple and focused with a clear headline, a brief description, and an email capture form. Offer a lead magnet. Provide an incentive like a free ebook, discount code, webinar, or exclusive content to encourage visitors to share their email addresses. Highlight the benefit of subscribing with clear messaging. And an email capture form. Include a form where visitors can enter their name and email address. Use tools like MailChimp, ConvertKit, or GetResponse to create and manage the form. Ensure the form is visible using pop-ups, inline forms, or slide-ins. Connect to an email marketing platform. Integrate the form with an email marketing tool to store and manage the collected emails. Set up an automated welcome email to confirm their subscription and deliver the lead magnet. Optimize and track performance. Use A/B testing to experiment with different headlines and form placements. Analyze performance using Google Analytics or built-in platform analytics to improve email collection rates.